traffic light, and then go ahead and take the second right.
I wake up at 4 o'clock. Then I pray subuh. After that, I take a bath, and after take a bath, I have breakfast at 6 o'clock.
How often do you train, Mr. Chris?
I always train 7 times a week, and in the weekday I always train in the gym, and the weekend I always train at the soccer field or football field.
Here I want to share about my impression when I joined this class for 3 days. This class is so fun, make me always happy, and then of course make me improve my English.